In this video tutorial, we will show you how to process a sale of one of the items that we entered in inventory in one of the previous video tutorials. Let's say that's going to be the bottled water that we entered and got ready for sale through its barcode. So what we're going to do is we're just going to scan the barcode of that bottled water right now. But keep in mind that in rare instances where there's some kind of a problem with a damaged barcode label or something like that and you can't scan with the scanner, you can always just type in the barcode manually on the keyboard. So we'll just go ahead and scan this bottle of water right now. And as you can see, it placed it right on the sales screen with all its important sales information, and the tax is here, calculated with the grand total and everything. As you can see, we have cash selected as the default selection for our payment method, and the rest of the payment methods are here. We just won't mess with any of these other features for now. Let's just do a quick simple sale for the first one, for the first example, and we'll go ahead and click tender in here, and the cash collection screen shows up where the software expects you to tell it how much are you collecting from a customer, so it can help you with calculating the change if any is applicable. And it will always have the correct amount that needs to be collected pre-filled in this box, so that if the customer is giving you the correct amount, all you have to do is hit enter on your keyboard or click OK in here, and it will carry on. Otherwise, if you need to edit this amount, the customer is paying with a larger amount, then you can use this touchscreen numeric pad in here, or your regular keyboard to edit this field. Or for easier work, if they're handing you just a single paper bill of money, you can click any of these buttons in here to help you work faster. Let's say they're going to give you a $20 bill. In this case, I'm just going to hit this 20 button in here, fills out 20 for you, and all you got to do is hit enter or click OK. Now we're moving on to the next screen. This is the customer information collection screen, and the only reason why this is showing up right now is because if you remember one of the previous tutorials, we selected to have the option on to collect customer information with every sale. Now most retail businesses are probably not going to do this. For fast sales, they're not going to collect customer info, and they're going to have that option turned off in setup, and this screen would have never showed up. But we just want to show you this option, and we'll go ahead and fill in some fictitious customer data in here. Now of course, if this was a returning customer, if we already had the information in here pre-filled previously, what would happen in here is, as we're filling in their first and last name, or any of their phone numbers, or the email address, any such fields that are unique identifiers for each customer, then the software would have just carried on and found them in the database real quickly and pre-filled all this data for you, so you don't have to fill this every time for the same returning customers. It just fills itself automatically as soon as you fill in any of this data. Of course, if you ever want to change your mind and just do a quick sell and skip this screen, there's always a skip screen option in here. For now, we'll just hit the submit button, and it will let us know that transaction is done, and our change that we need to give is $18.39. So as soon as we click OK in here, our receipt will print out on the receipt printer, and that sale is done.